When do you assume they started dating with Mahu?
Matuman?
Yeah.
This one is not alleged. When I was in Durban, July, remember I told you Pori confronted me. I was talking to Pori in the corner. It was a dark place. He was waiting for someone. Well, just when we finished talking, Mahu is walking, running there. She was running towards Maduman. And then? She was going to Maduman. She was with that man in Durban, July.
Yeah, if you're saying Durban, July.
At Layuthi, what does that mean? Man, come on, it's Pori, man.
But actually, because the reason I asked him is because we went to... Mahu was gigging after that, and she was driving the white G-Wagon.
She was driving the white G-Wagon?
Yeah, she was driving the white G-Wagon. Yeah, she was driving the white G-Wagon.
In Durban?
Yeah, in Durban.
Abashaya besinga phela lapha.
But anyway.
Laba. Ngiyazazi indaba zenu. One day I told Paul, you.
Yo guys, uSifiso unezindaba kodwa phela no Jimashego naye indaba ekanjena wayikhuluma. Kwaba ukuthi ke yonke into uJimashego ayisho abantu abaningi bathi yayisilona iqiniso. Nikhumbule futhi guys ukuthi uMahu waposta ku socials wakhe ukuthi yena akakaze nangelilodwa ilanga alale or abe ku relationship nomuntu oku industry. Angazi noma niyakhumbula yini. But ke okwamanje let's check ama comments sibone ukuthi abantu bathini. Uthi lona this one is not alleged. Kusho bani? Kusho uSifiso njalo. Kushuthi nje unayi proof. Mina guys I'm saying this is all alleged because I do not have a proof. Uthi lona Jimashego is telling the truth. I asazi guys but kuningi akhuluma uJimashego guys okunye kwakho kwakuzwala ngathi kuyiqiniso but okunye kwakho kangekhulula ukuthi sikholwe. Uthi lona when Sifiso is here they gossip. Nota educated us last week. Ya yena uSifiso hayi uyakhuluma uSifiso guys yo and uyambona ukuthi masekhuluma nje indaba zabantu uyambona nje ukuthi uya-enjoya kumnandi but ke hayi Uthi lona they are both adults. What's wrong with them dating each other? Or it is a crime for musicians to date each other. Yeah, that is true. Bayajola or abajoli, guys, it's none of our business. God available, we're going to talk about it. We are going to talk about it. And it's phela bona ba we public eye. Ngeke singakhuluma ngabo. Kodwa yes, akukho wrong. But bangaphikani phela. Bayindaba bephikana if ukuthi is true. Why? Uthi lona Piano Pulse is becoming Maphorisa Pulse. Ay asazi ke sana why ngoba nakho uSifiso mentioning uMaphorisa. Should that is why this person is saying this. Come on, it's not like they talk about him every week. It's not that deep. How? Uthi lona I don't know if Sifiso hates Maphorisa or he just don't like the guys who are doing way better than him. Yo, I guess Sana, I do not know. I cannot comment on that. I don't think Sifiso doesn't like Maphorisa. I just think Jay was in daba. Was easy daba as a digger Sifiso yo. And umzulu tell ukuthi nje one day uzozikhipha lezi ndaba asazi. Silindele zosuku thina indaba siyayithanda. Uthi lo engabe indoda kabani lena uninani sile. Unomfazi uSifiso guys umfazi wakhe omuhle. She's very beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, she's gorgeous. Such an old guy ukhuluma njengomama. Hey ayibo phela mangabe usebenza kwi-podcast ayikho enye into enziwa kwi-podcast ngaphandle kokuthi ukhulume. Thani nina aniyithanda izinto ayisho but ukhuluma he will talk because he's a podcaster. Uthi lona stop lies. Paris G-Wagon is no longer white and it's with his new girlfriend, not Mahu. And he's been with this girl since beginning of the year. That's what happens when you try to figure out people's business. You'll get confused. I would like to think ukuthi shuthi lona umuntu hlamba ngazi or close noMaphorisa because how do you know all this information? Or now you are like you one of the people who are trying to figure out people's business. How do you know this information? But yes, silalele siyagozwa. Hi guys, hey. Ngoba indaba zabantu siyazithanda shame. Uthi lona Sifiso be acting like a woman. He have a wife, 2 So he expects Maphorisa not to have a someone. Akashongo ukuthi angimele ukuthi abe na someone. He was just saying ukuthi uMaphorisa was with Uma who. Uthi lona, there's an age where you stop discussing other people's sexual life. Sfiso passed at that stage 15 years ago. Guys, Usfiso Ogu podcast, what is he supposed to do? He's gonna talk. If you're a podcaster, you need to talk. We need numbers. They need numbers. You know, kumele asho into ezotrenda so that they can get views. That's how they get paid. That's how it works, guys. Come on. Angimdefendi vele nobuyakhuluma kakhulu, but it is what it is. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know what's the story nje sakudala, but yeah, sorry guys. I'll see you on my next video.